Sunday, family and frenzies. What's going on with y'all today? Y'all, today is my Sunday reset. That's right. So I actually just got finished washing my hair. So excuse the appearance, but my hair is like all over the place right now. And look at those grays, y'all. I am not ready. Oh my God, I'm not ready. Y'all, I had got some hair color, but I haven't used it yet. Only because I want to have my daughter crochet my hair. And I figured why put the dye in if I'm just going to crochet it and get it braided up. So I'm going to hold on to the hair dye. And today I'm actually going to show y'all how I make my homemade hair butter. I actually don't have all of the ingredients that I would normally use. But in all honesty, I mean, anyone can make this hair butter at home. And it's up to you what you want to put in it. You know, whatever oils you like using in your hair, that's what you can put into your homemade hair butter. The base for the hair butter is, of course, shea butter. You can use shea butter, you can use cocoa butter, you can use mango butter, any type of butter you want. My hair, it dries out really fast, y'all. I'm probably going to have to, actually, no, I think I still got some moisture in my hair, but it dries out really, really fast. But what I'm going to do is just take some conditioner, and I'm going to mix some olive oil with my conditioner to help give it a little extra moisture. And I'm going to put a plastic cap on my head, and I'm going to let that sit for about 30 minutes, y'all. Just let that sit. Also, I have rice water. I'm sure I told y'all about my rice water plenty of times. Once I'm done with the conditioning, I'm going to spray my hair down with rice water. It's going to help soften my hair. Y'all, I went on Amazon and I ordered this here huge gallon container of conditioner, and I never used it before, but pretty much I feel like conditioner is conditioner. It is sulfate free, which is good. And I usually always mix my own ingredients into my conditioners anyway, so I wasn't really looking for anything specific. But this is what I got, y'all. This huge gallon container of conditioner, and this is the Allen Tranquility Green Tea Lemongrass Conditioner. So it is 100% vegan and sulfate free. So yeah, I'm gonna just take this, and what I'm gonna do is what I normally do. I usually take my conditioner. I usually get a little bowl like this that we don't use for food. Pretty much this is my hair conditioning bowl. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some, actually let me put this down. I'm gonna pour some conditioner into this bowl, and then I'm gonna get my olive oil, and I'm gonna put a little bit into that. And then I'm gonna put all this conditioner into my hair. So yeah, y'all. And most times when you buy these hair products and conditioners from the stores, most likely it's stuff that you already have in your own kitchen, you know, without all the extra additives. All right, y'all, so I got my olive oil to pour into my conditioner. So here's the conditioner, and I'm going to take the olive oil. I'm just going to pour a little bit in there. Not too much, y'all, see? Okay. So I'm going to take this little knife. I got this little knife to mix up my hair butter. So I'm just going to mix it all up. Actually, y'all, I think I put a little bit too much olive oil. I may have to add some more conditioner to this, y'all. I'm going to add a little more conditioner. I think I poured a little too much. And y'all, if I have any left over, it's all well and good, because Noonie needs to wash her hair too. And I'll just give her some of the conditioner to put in her hair, so it won't go to waste. Or, like, even if she didn't have to wash her hair, y'all, I'll just put a top on it and just put it in the closet on the shelf until our next wash day. Alright, so I'm just mixing this up real good. As you can see. See? Nice and creamy. So now I'm just gonna put the conditioner on my hair. Alright, y'all, I pretty much got all the conditioner in my hair right now. So what I'm gonna do is you know what? I'm a mess already, y'all. Look at that. So I'm gonna use this here detangling brush. This brush is so good, y'all. This here detangles the hair really good. See? It's like little flaps or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is take this brush and detangle my hair, and then I'm gonna put a cap on my head, okay? putting the conditioner in my hair. I actually brushed it throughout, as you can see. I like extra conditioner on my hair, y'all. If I'm deep conditioning my hair, I want to see the conditioner in my hair. I'm not using just a little handful. I want my hair fully saturated because my hair is super dry all the time. So what I'm gonna do now is just put this cap on my head. And y'all, I don't normally comb my hair, condition my hair in the kitchen, y'all. I'm only down here for the purposes of this video. I usually do my hair in the bathroom, but since I'm gonna be whipping up the hair butter for y'all, I figured I'd do this as well as the hair butter in this video. So this is why I'm down here in our kitchen doing my hair. Sean go crazy right now if he see me. But okay, so now y'all, I'm gonna just prep my little station here so you guys can see exactly what I'm gonna use to put inside the hair butter. And I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can watch the whole process. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm using today. So I have some vitamin E oil here. I'm using some black Jamaican castor oil. This is with the hemp seed, y'all. I'm also using the Wild Growth hair oil. Have any of you ever used this? This oil is really, really good. It really helps if your hair is thinning or if you see that your hair is just not growing. This has always helped my family. Of course, everyone is different, but this has always helped us over the years. So this is a really good product. Then we have some carrot oil here. This is really good for hot oil treatments as well, and for hair breakage. And then we have some glycerin, okay? I have some measuring spoons here as well. So what I'm gonna do is measure off about, I wanna say 1/3 of a cup of each oil, and then I'm going to put it into my shea butter mixture. So I'm gonna show you exactly which shea butter I use as well. Okay, so this is the shea butter that I like to use, y'all. You know, they have the shea butter that's it's a more deeper yellow color and it's a little bit more hard. I like using the whipped shea butter. This is more of a this is creamy and soft, and it's easier for me to use this when I'm making the hair butters. The whipped shea butter works very, very well. And this tub, as you can see, is pretty large, and this was only $12.99 from my local hair store. Okay, so I'm ready to put my oils in now. Like I said, I'm using about 1/3 of a cup of each oil. I'm gonna start off with the Jamaican black castor oil. And guys, I took the top off each one. This way I could go a little faster. That's the Jamaican black castor oil. Now I'm gonna go in with the vitamin E oil. Next, I'm going in with the carrot oil. I'm going in with the glycerin. I'm going to put a little less than 1/3 of a cup of the glycerin. We don't really need that much of this. And the glycerin is really good for moisture. It's good for breakage. You know, once you get out into the air, it helps your hair absorb all of that moisture. Okay, and then I'm going in with the Wild Growth oil. Okay, that's all of my oils. Okay, y'all, so now that I'm done putting all of my oils into the shea butter mixture, what I have to do now is melt all of this down. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I melt all of this down on top of my stove. Okay, y'all, so what I'm doing right now is boiling a pot of water. Once that water comes to a boil, I got this here colander here, and as you can see, I put my bowl of shea butter and oils into the colander. So as that water is boiling on the bottom, it's going to begin to heat up your butter mixture, your hair butter mixture with all those oils. So once everything is fully dissolved, I'm going to make sure I get like a spoon or a spatula and continuously stir it. Once it's all dissolved, then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay guys, I don't know what I was thinking. As you can see, I changed my colander because the one that I had previously was plastic, and I wasn't even thinking, of course the plastic would begin to melt once the water begins to heat on the bottom. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all, but please don't use a plastic colander. So anyway, I just changed my colander and replaced the bowl inside. As you can see, everything is melting down now. So like I said, I'm going to let this fully dissolve until we can start the next step in this process. Okay guys, so as you can see, everything is fully melted down and incorporated together. So that's the shea butter along with all the oils that I put into the mixture. So now that everything is fully melted down, all of this must solidify. And so what you're going to do now is place it into your freezer. So I can't really tell you exactly how long to keep it in the freezer because everyone's freezer is different. Just keep an eye. I'm going to put mine in for about an hour to see how much it solidifies within that time period. Once you see that everything is almost solid, it don't have to be completely solid. You don't want it rock hard or anything like that. But once you see that everything is combining and coming together and solidifying, go ahead and take it out and then you'll be ready to whip it up. Alright y'all, so I placed the butter into the freezer. So what we're going to do now is wait for all of that to solidify. Meanwhile, I'm going to let this conditioner sit in my hair for probably about another 15 minutes or so. And then I'm going to wash it out. And then I'm going to come back down here, check on the shea butter to make sure everything is good. And then we're going to begin to whip it up. Okay y'all, so I just took the butter mixture out of the freezer. And as you can see, it looked like the entire thing is fully solidified. Maybe I left it in there a little too long, but it's all right. It's still liquidy in the middle. Because once I poke through the middle, as you can see, it's not fully solidified because you see all that moisture? That's the oils. So what we're going to do right now is pretty much take the hand mixer and we're going to whip all of this up real good.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more.
Have it guys, your homemade whipped hair butter. Now guys, this hair butter is good for moisture, it's good for hair growth, it's good for just softening your hair, it's good for twist outs, it's good for cornrows, y'all. It's good for pretty much about anything. Look how nice and glossy it is. So now at this time, what you can do is get you a little container, like a little plastic bowl, or either you can use one of your hair product jars that may be empty and place it inside there. And that's how you can store this away, y'all. Or either you could get you like a Tupperware bowl and store it away. Okay. Now I don't have a plastic container that I could pretty much package it up in nice and pretty and everything, y'all, but you pretty much get the picture. But look at that. Look how nice that look. Nice and glossy, and it's just glistening. Okay y'all. Okay y'all, I'm done with the shea butter mixture, my homemade whipped shea butter. That's good for natural hair growth and moisture and all that good stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is, as you can see, I rinsed out my conditioner already, and y'all, my hair is so soft. It is so soft. Let me show y'all exactly. Look at that, y'all. The brush is just going right through my hair. You see that? Look how easy the brush is going through. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do now, y'all, is I'm going to put some of this shea butter on my hair. I'll do a small section for y'all real quick before I end the video. And I'm gonna get a little bit of shea butter. You don't need a lot, just a little bit of shea butter. Okay, put it on my head. Get a little bit more. And guys, what I'm gonna probably do is just twist my hair up tonight with the shea butter. So now I'm gonna just take the brush and I'm gonna just comb it through. The shea butter should make your curls pop as well. Okay. Yeah. Curls is coming through. Come on through, curls. Come on through. You see that? My natural curls is popping. Alright, y'all. So I just wanted to show y'all a brief demonstration. I hope you guys try this recipe for this hair butter mixture. Let me know how you like it. I'm going to end the video for now, y'all. And until next time, I'll see y'all soon. Hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video, y'all. I'll see you next time. Bye.